What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video here, we're going to be going over all the ioBit software programs that they have. I'm going to show you how to download and install them. This is just me a quick video how to get them and how to download them. I'm going to actually break them down and give you better tutorials in the future. This is just a quick video for the quick tips playlist. First thing you're going to do is go to Google and type in ioBit download. And then you're going to go to iobit.com. You're going to click that. And once you're on iobit.com, this is an amazing website, right? They have all types of different programs you can download. They got system care, driver updater, and almost all of these are free. They have paid versions, but you'll get away with using the free versions. You don't need the paid versions at all. They got a system care, screen recorder, screenshot one. Then if you come here to the must-have tools, this is where you can really get into it. You got an uninstaller, software updater, system info, protected folder, a smart defrag for your hard drives, and Mac booster. This is if you have a Mac. Other than that, you guys can click on download free next to any of these. But what I like to do is come back to must have tools and go to see all ioBit products. And this is where they really have the list of everything that they is in their umbrella of programs. So what I want to do is find something that I definitely want. And if you see here, anything with the green one has a free version, which is pretty much every single one of these. Like I said, you can also have the paid versions, and it says the price right here in orange. But what we want definitely is driver updater or driver booster 8. So we're going to click download free. Then you're going to come here to free download. Click it. You're going to save it to whichever folder you want to save your programs to. Okay, give it a second. It's downloading here in the corner. Once it's done, double click. Then there's going to be your administrator permissions. You either enter in a password or click OK. And now Driver Booster 8 is ready to be installed. So we click install. Agree to their terms, click next, and I actually think I just downloaded the other two programs that it said there, the screenshot and the screen record. I'm not sure if you can not download them. I should have double checked that, but if you do, then all you got to do is download an uninstall program like Revo Uninstaller. I'll put a link to a video for that. And then once you do, just uninstall them and it'll delete everything. Here we don't want to subscribe, so just click no thanks, and it's done. It puts a little desktop icon if you want that, otherwise put it in the recycle bin. But if you click scan now, it's going to go through your whole system and scan for all your drivers. And I have 6 outdated drivers. You can see here, you can just click update now and it'll update all of them. It's so easy. It's honestly one of the best free driver updaters that I've seen, because all you got to do is just remember to check it maybe once a month, run a scan once here and there every couple weeks, whatever. After that, we can click don't remind me again, click OK, and it's downloading. It shouldn't take long at all. Just going through and updating all the drivers. Other than that, guys, I think that's the video. If you're new, make sure to subscribe if this helped you out. Thanks for watching, everybody. Comment down below if you got any questions or concerns. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.